Hey garden friend, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor and today I want to take you on a walk that goes beyond your usual garden beds. We're heading out into the wild to discover 5 easy-to-identify wild edibles you can forage right now no matter where you live. Foraging isn't just about free food, though let's be real, that's a huge bonus. It connects us to nature, sharpens our observation skills, and gives us that old-school self-reliance that every gardener secretly craves. But let's keep it smart and safe. Always know what you're picking, and stick to areas that haven't been sprayed or polluted. Alright, let's jump in. First up, the humble but mighty dandelion. That so-called weed in your lawn, it's actually a full-body tonic. The young leaves are perfect for salads. They're less bitter when fresh. The sunny yellow flowers make amazing fritters or a floral tea, and even the roots can be roasted for a surprisingly good coffee substitute. Dandelions are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K and even support digestion and liver health. Just remember, only pick from unsprayed areas, never roadsides or lawns treated with chemicals. Next, chickweed. You'll find this one thriving in shady gardens and damp corners. Chickweed is a mild green, a bit like baby spinach or lettuce. You can eat it fresh in salads, give it a quick sauté, or even steep it as a gentle tea that's great for the skin. It's packed with iron, calcium, and vitamin C, and it sticks around almost all year in cooler regions. To identify chickweed, look for tiny star-shaped white flowers and a single line of hairs running down the stem. Number 3 is purslane. Purslane creeps low to the ground and has juicy, succulent leaves with a tangy lemon flavor. It's a powerhouse, super high in omega-3s, magnesium, and potassium, even more than spinach. Toss purslane raw into salads, stir it into soups and stews, or get creative and ferment it like sauerkraut. But double-check it's not spurge. Spurge leaks milky sap and is toxic, while purslane does not. Fourth on the list is wild garlic. If you ever catch a whiff of garlic while hiking in the woods, you're probably near some. Wild garlic has long green leaves, an unmistakable garlic chive aroma, and every part, bulb, leaf, flower, is edible. Use it in place of garlic or green onions. It's punchy and fantastic in pestos or stir-fries. Just be careful not to confuse it with lily of the valley. Crush a leaf. If it doesn't smell like garlic, don't eat it. Last but not least, wood sorrel. Wood sorrel looks a bit like clover, with heart-shaped leaves but has a sharp, lemony flavor thanks to oxalic acid. It's a refreshing pop in salads, as a tangy garnish, or even brewed as a herbal tea. Eat it in moderation. Like spinach, it's high in oxalates and should be avoided if you have kidney issues. Before you grab a basket, remember, always positively identify every plant. Use a field guide or a trustworthy app. Avoid foraging from polluted areas. Think roadsides, industrial zones, or sprayed lawns. Harvest ethically. Only take what you need and leave plenty behind for the wildlife and future foragers. Know your local laws. Sometimes foraging is restricted in parks or nature reserves. Done right, foraging is a beautiful way to reconnect with the land and expand your food sources naturally. You don't always have to grow your own. Sometimes, the best food is just waiting for you, right outside your door. Wild edibles are seasonal, sustainable, and often more nutritious than anything you'll find at the store. So, the next time you're outside, slow down, look around, and see what's growing at your feet. You might just discover your next meal. If this opened your eyes to what's possible beyond the garden fence, give it a like and subscribe to Dirt Decoded for more soil-smart, nature-first gardening wisdom. I'm the Soil Doctor, and I'll see you next time.